Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make scribble art. Alright, so before you start, you're going to need a piece of paper and something to color with. You can use pencil crayons, or markers. I'm going to use crayons today. Now for this part you can use whatever color you want, but it's best to use black, so I'm going to start with a black crayon. Now you're going to scribble all over the page. You can either scribble all over it by making little circles, or you can just draw random lines everywhere. I'm just going to draw a bunch of random lines everywhere. Random lines and spots. And squiggly lines. Or you can use a combination of both. You want to make sure that you fill the whole entire page with squiggles and lines. Alright, now once you're done with all the squiggles and lines, you're simply going to color it in. You're going to color each spot with a different color. Now it's going to take me a while to fill this in, so I'm going to show you guys a little bit at a time, and I'm going to skip forward to what the finished product looks like. Alright, so that's how you create a scribble art. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one.